welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome. So today I'm going to be sharing with you guys my huge Halloween giveaway. I've been wanting to do a giveaway for so long to thank you guys for all of your support, and so I'm really happy that I was blessed enough this year to be able to pick out a few things for you guys to give away to you to thank you for all of your support, because this is the 5th year I'm doing Halloween makeup here on YouTube, and it just really means a lot to me to have your support throughout all of these years. So with that being said, if you guys are not already, definitely make sure that you're subscribed to my YouTube channel, because I'm going to be uploading a new Halloween themed makeup tutorial every weekday for the entire month of October, and you definitely don't want to miss it, especially since that does have to do with how you can enter in this giveaway. So anyways, with that being said, if you guys are interested to see how you can enter to win over $200 worth of Halloween goodies this year, then just keep watching. I'm gonna try and make this video as organized as I possibly can, so please bear with me. And of course, if you have any questions, if I missed anything, I literally was creating a list to make sure that I don't miss anything. But if there is anything I miss, please comment down below and let me answer it for you guys. And then if it's like a big question that I missed, I will make sure to have it pinned for you guys. So I'm gonna try to keep this as organized as possible. So to start off, I'm going to be talking about the rules of the giveaway, and then the second part of the video, I'm going to be showing you guys all of the items that are going to be in this giveaway. Also, I'm not sure if I specified this, but there's going to be one giveaway winner who is going to be winning over $200 worth of this makeup. So I'd like to be able to do it where I can do a larger giveaway and give like a little bit to everybody, or a little bit here and there, and like have multiple winners. But for this giveaway, I am only having one winner. So this giveaway is going to be running from October 1st to October 31st. I'm going to be picking out the winner at midnight on October 31st. So technically, I guess midnight on November 1st. That in between October 31st and November 1st, midnight. That's when I'm going to be picking the winner, and I'm going to be DMing them through Instagram the day after. Now, the rules for this giveaway, of course, you need to be subscribed to my YouTube channel, because we actually can't check if you're subscribed or not. So that is the first rule. You have to be a subscriber of my YouTube channel. Next is to leave a comment on my 2021 Halloween makeup tutorials. My Halloween makeup tutorials that I'm going to be uploading this month, it's ideally going to be one every weekday for the entire month of October, which comes out to 21 makeup tutorials. They are the tutorials that I'm going to be selecting the winner from. And the way that I'm going to be doing it is 21 makeup tutorials. I'm going to number them 1 through 21 and have a random number generator select a random number between 1 and 21, and I'm going to select that video associated with that number and have a random comment generator select a comment from that video. You can most definitely comment on all of my videos, and that gives you the best chance of entering, because that way you consistently have a comment on every single video, so that way whenever the video is picked randomly, you are definitely entered in that area. But also what you could do, because I understand, you know, waiting every day to leave a comment on a video can be difficult. If you guys want, watch the videos at your own free time, but however, you can maybe set an alarm for October 31st or October 30th or whatever you feel comfortable, and set a timer so that way you know to go through and leave a comment on all of my Halloween videos. It's just whatever is going to be easiest for you. You can of course only comment on one video if you'd like, if you want to only enter that way. But the thing is, the random number generator is going to pick a random video, and then it's going to pick a random comment from that. So it might not pick the video that you comment on, which is why it would be best to comment on all of my Halloween videos. Third is you definitely need to make sure that whenever you leave a comment, this is very important, that you leave your Instagram handle tagged in the comment. I'm going to be DMing the winner through Instagram, so definitely make sure that your profile is public on Halloween, so that way I can DM you and let you know that you won. But I will need to be able to find you. If I click on your comment, I'm gonna need to be able to find you. So please leave your Instagram handles in the comments whenever you leave a comment throughout the entire month, just because I want to be able to message you and let you know that you won, because otherwise I won't really have a way to get a hold of you. And last but not least, this is unfortunately only open to US residents only. This is the first giveaway that I am doing. I would really love to open it up internationally in the future. However, because this is the first giveaway, I want to make sure that it goes well, so I'm going to leave it US only for now, and then hopefully in future giveaways I can make it international. So just a quick little recap, make sure you're subscribed to my YouTube channel. It would definitely help if you have notifications turned on. Also, make sure that you comment on any or all of my Halloween 2021 videos because I'm going to be randomly selecting one of those videos and then randomly selecting one of the comments from that video. So it does work to your benefit to comment on all of the videos at least once, just so your name is entered in basically each little section. Third, make sure that whenever you leave a comment, you have your Instagram handle tagged so that way I can find you to message you. And that is all it takes to enter my Halloween giveaway. So I hope it works out. If you guys have any questions, like I said, please link it down below. This is the first giveaway I'm doing, so I really hope I'm not forgetting anything. Of course, no purchase is necessary to enter. I don't know if I have to verbally say that, but no purchase necessary. So I'm going to go ahead and share with you guys all of the items in this giveaway that you have the possibility to win. These are a lot of little fun Halloween items, makeup items, and just things that I have been loving personally that I wanted to share with you guys. And so to start off, we have this sunset lamp. Now, I've actually always wanted these. These have been on TikTok, and this is the, sunset color. And so what had happened was I had accidentally bought two. And, I didn't know what I was going to do with the second one. And so I just figured, I knew I was going to be doing this huge Halloween giveaway. Why not throw in a sunset lamp as well? Because I feel like you could use this for a lot of really fun Halloween looks as well. And just in the fall and summer seasons, like this is just really nice for a room. So I just thought that this was really fun for you guys to have as well. Next, we have this cute little Nightmare Before Christmas cup. You just press the bottom and it lights up, which is so much fun. And so this one has Jack, Zero, and Sally on it. It is so cute. And the reason I got this was because I actually got one for myself, and you will see in my upcoming Halloween videos, I'm constantly drinking out of this while I'm filming, and so I kind of got them so that we could twin together. So this is the one that I got, and this is the one that you guys will win. Speaking of Jack Skellington, we also have this cute little Jack Skellington ornament, I guess? I don't know. I have one of these too, and I currently just have it hanging on the doorknob to my film room, and so that's where I like it. You could also hang it in your car as well, but it's just a cute like little Jack Skellington plush. You're also going to be getting 5 Made You Look body paints. I decided to get the basics collection so that way if you don't have any body paints yet, this is a great place to get you started because you can mix colors together to get your desired look. This kit comes with red, black, white, yellow, and blue. So I'm getting you 5 full-size Made You Look body paints, and then of course you guys are also going to be getting a little spray bottle to fill up with water to make the process easier as well. Now with that, I also wanted to get you guys some brushes as well to help complete your look. I decided to get this 6-piece kit from e.l.f. because I love the e.l.f. foundation brush for body paint specifically. So this kit comes with a concealer brush, an eyeshadow C brush, a small angled brush, a small stipple brush, 1 eyebrow duo brush to help glue down your eyebrows, and 1 ultimate blending brush. So especially with a lot of these brushes, this is just really great for special effects looks. I would personally use the foundation brush for body paint. I would use the eyebrow brush for gluing down my eyebrows. I would use the stippling brush for glitter or adding texture to my body paints. And then of course the eyeshadow brushes you can use to add color and dimension to your looks using shadows. And the other brush set is the BH Cosmetics Drop Dead Gorgeous Killer Queen brush set. This is full of individual eyeshadow brushes to help you guys create more intense eyeshadow looks as well. Now also this product I'm really excited to share with you guys because this one has definitely been a lot of fun to play with this year, but this is the ColourPop Hocus Pocus Gather Round Sisters palette. This is the one from 2020. I know they just released the newer one as well, but this one is actually been sold again for limited edition, and so I'm so excited to give this away because this is one that I have just been loving using this month, wink wink. So I was really excited to be able to put this in the giveaway as well because I know this is an eyeshadow palette that almost everybody will hopefully love. So next we have a few lip products. The first is the ColourPop Luxe Velvet Luxe Liquid Lipstick Duo. This comes with Daily Dose and Big Bang. These are 2 red shades, and so I thought that this would be really fun for the fall season and for any Halloween makeup looks, even though you'd be receiving this after Halloween. And the next is the Makeup Revolution Zero Lip Gloss. This is a clear lip gloss. I can't remember if it has glitter or not in it, but it is Nightmare Before Christmas themed, so I thought that this would be fun to throw in there. Next, we have the BH Cosmetics Drop Dead Gorgeous Glitter Blood. I thought that this would be so much fun, just a great way to kind of experiment with some fake blood but in a glam way, and I thought that this would be a fun thing to add to any glam looks, even with Christmas coming up as well, so you have some red glitter as well. Also wanted to incorporate the fall season and pumpkins a little bit in here as well, so you're also going to be getting the Milani Fruit Fetish Pumpkin Spice Lip Balm. I have this and I absolutely love it. I mentioned it in my last year's favorites video actually. It personally reminds me a little bit more of cookies than it does pumpkin spice, but regardless, I absolutely love it, and I think the tint that it gives your lips is absolutely gorgeous. Now, with all of the makeup and body paint that you're probably going to be doing throughout the month of October, I'm also throwing in an e.l.f. Super Clarity Cleanser. One, I got it because it was orange, so it kind of matched the vibe of this whole giveaway, but also I definitely wanted to get you guys a really good cleanser. This has amazing reviews online because I want you to be able to clean your face thoroughly, especially after doing all of these looks. And last but not least, I wanted to put a book in this giveaway. Ideally, if I can, I want to incorporate a book into every single giveaway that I do, whether you're a reader or not. I just absolutely love reading, and so if I have the opportunity to share a book I love with you guys physically, I really want to. So I was trying to think about a book that was kind of spooky and Halloween related that I think you would enjoy. And so if you do like fantasy novels, I decided to choose The Call by Peter O'Gillion. This is a young adult fantasy book and it is so well done and creepy. The imagery in this book is executed perfectly. I just think it is absolutely amazing. It is so good. I'm going to try to explain it as easy as I can, although I haven't read this book for I think like 4 years, so please bear with me if I'm slightly wrong. This is basically a horror survival book, although I think that is maybe still painting it a little bit kinder in the sense that this is a book where at a certain age, everybody gets teleported basically to the Fae land, where the Fae are constantly wanting to hunt you down and kill you and play with you and rip you to shreds and all of that gory stuff, and you have to survive there for a certain amount of time, and then you'll be sent back to the real world. But if you don't survive there, you're sent back literally in pieces of how they left you. And so this just does an amazing job of building this world and creating the tension and suspense of these characters trying to survive their brief time in the Fae world and make it back home completely in one piece. But unfortunately, that does not always happen. So this is just really, really great. It's a creepy read, but I thought it would be great for this Halloween giveaway. So anyways, that is how you can enter in my Halloween giveaway. Definitely make sure that you enter throughout all the month of October because I'm so excited to give this away to one of you guys. I really hope you like it. I try to take my time putting it together and incorporate, I think, everything that could be used to help make a fun Halloween character or just getting into special effects, makeup, and also the Halloween season. So with that being said, thank you guys so much for watching. I really hope you enjoyed it. Leave a comment down below what you'd like to see next. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up if you enjoyed it and subscribe to my channel so that you don't miss any of these upcoming Halloween makeup looks. And with all that being said, I will see you guys tomorrow. Bye!